How to read 0.375 in words? I will teach you the formal way and informal way. In informal way, it is uh, read like this 0.375, but in formal way, look, a number may have two parts, fractional whole number part and fractional part. For decimal number, after decimal, we have tenths column, hundreds column, then thousands column. Here 3 is in tenth column, 7 is in hundreds column, and 5 is in thousands column. To read this number, look, this is fractional part. The whole number part is 0. To read this number, say this fractional part as a whole number. So as a whole number, this is this 375. 375. Now the last digit from left to right after decimal is 5. 5 is in which column? This is in thousands column. So now say thousands. So this is 375 thousands. If you convert this number into a fraction, for decimal consider 1, for every digit after decimal just write 0. So 375 thousands. See, this is the formal way. In informal way, you can say 0.375, but formal way, you have to say 375 thousands.